Howdy, and welcome to Edible Yardz. I hope you enjoy and find value in my content. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Hi guys, in the garden, ready to cut some kale for you all and make a nice little kale and mushroom salad. I started this kale from seed. It's been in the garden now for 2.5 months, maybe 3 months now. And we've had quite a few kale salads from it. The importance of cutting vegetables at a certain time of day. I learned from a teacher. He had this instrument called a bricks meter, which I'm actually going to be getting in the mail tomorrow, so I'll show you what that is in a video. Reads the sugar content in the vegetables. When you pick your leafy vegetables, anything above ground at the peak sun point of the day, so say like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, all of the sugars will be in the leaf of the plant. Then as the sun goes down, the sugars go into the roots, which is the best time to obviously pick your root vegetables if you're looking for like a nice kind of really sweet kind of vegetable. Yeah, that's one of the things I learned as to, when to pick. This is my little outdoor kitty. She comes and hangs with me all the time. She's great. I don't have a name for her yet. My roommates called her Boots. She's got 2 little white hind legs, but she's happy. She comes and hangs with me. But anyway, back to the salad. So I'm just gonna do some cuttings here for you. I just kind of pretty much cut it right down to the base. Get enough here to make a nice salad. All right, rock and roll. I like to kind of thin it out too, like, take a little bit from each plant so they still maintain like a nice look, presentation in my garden, because I like to look at them too. So, all right, I'm gonna show you a couple of other stages just so you can kind of get an idea of like, this is like a very mature kale plant. So, and then this is very young kale plants on the way there. And then I'm gonna take you to where we have some really, really little babies called Dinosaur kale. So there you go. That's the growing process. I'll see you inside. That's it for now, y'all. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.